Is it audible to you? So good morning everyone. So 10.5 exercise, and yesterday we have learned the theorem and some results also. So what are the results we learned? Angle made by an arc at the center is double angle made by the same arc at a point which is not other part of the circle. At the point other part of the circle में double होता है. So main thing is, and angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees, right angle triangle, and angle in the same segment are equal and cyclic quadrilateral. If the 4 points of the quadrilateral, 4 vertices of the quadrilateral lies on the same circle, then that quadrilateral is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. It is called as cyclic quadrilateral. So these are the things we have learned. And in the cyclic quadrilateral, some of the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. That is nothing but 180 degrees. So these are the things. Based on this, we are going to have the questions here in this 10.5 exercise. The first figure is given to you. A, B, C are the 3 points on circle. First, let me draw the figure. Figure draw करके तो the figure I will explain to you here. This is circle given. Okay. And the center of the circle is named as a O. And 3 points are taken A, B, C on the circle with the center O such that angle BOC is equal to 90 degrees. So 30 degrees A, B, and C. So here angle BOC, this is 30 degrees. Here it is given. It is 30 degrees. And angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, D is a point on the circle other than the arc ABC. Here, other than the arc ABC, D point is here. Maybe here or here, anywhere else. That doesn't matter. And asking you to find out the angle ADC. So here, this angle will be half of this angle. So here, given what is given here, given angle BOC is equal to 30 degrees, angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to 60 plus 30, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Do remember that don't get confused. This angle is double than this. So, angle ABC will be half of angle AOC. This angle will be smaller. It's a half of that. So, don't get confused. This most of the students will get confused. So, don't get confused with the half of angle AOC, that is 90 degrees, which is equal to 45 degrees. Is the answer for that question. Simple question है ना, उसमें कुछ complication नहीं. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second question is, every question you need to draw the figure compulsorily. First figure you need to draw. If you draw the figure only, then you will be able to do it. Okay? So now here, what can you, question is given to you, a chord of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. In this figure is not given to you. So chord of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, so here center. This chord is equal to the radius. Chord let us consider AB. OA, OB are radius. And asking you to find the angle subtended by the chord at the point on the minor arc and also at the point on the major arc. Here, minor arc. Either what is the angle C consider, and what is the angle here? Here D consider. What do we find out? ACB find out करना है, ADB find out करना है. Nothing is given here. Only given thing is that AB is equal to. So what is here? Given chord AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. So therefore, triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so now here in the two ways you can do this problem. Angle AOB is equals to 60 degrees means angle ABC. So you can say that angle ABC, angle made by the this card at a point in the major sector में point में angle find out करना. First minor is asked, but let us find out the major, doesn't matter. Okay, so angle ADC is equals to half of angle AOB, which is equals to half of 60 degrees, which is equals to 30 degrees. ये डबल होता है, do remember, this will be double than this one. This is given to us, so this we need to find out. So this will be half of this. Then I'll ask you to find out ACB also. One you find out 30 degrees आगे, and again you have to find out ACB. AC कैसे find out कर सकते हैं?
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, at angle ADC, we can write. We have to write na angle ADB.
Suppose मेरा ADB last.
ADB.
ADB हाँ. ADB sorry. और ACB find out करना है. So ACB, ACBD is cyclic quadrilateral. ACBD is cyclic quadrilateral. It is cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore, angle ACB plus angle ADB is equals to 180 degrees. So ACB we know, we need to find out angle ACB is plus ADB is equals to 30 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So angle ACB is equals to 150 degrees. Last में question में क्या देना है? What is, you are not supposed to leave the question answer solution like this. Question में क्या पूछ रहे हैं? Therefore, the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc is 150 degrees. Do remember that minor arc पे angle obtuse angle होता है, major arc पे angle acute होता है. So this is major arc. किधर भी angle लेवल ये angle acute angle and minor arc पे obtuse angle, ये obtuse angle होता है. So you can observe that this is the angle made by the angle at the minor arc, at a point on the minor arc. This is angle 30 degrees is angle at a point on the major arc. समझ में आया? So last conclusion you need to write. So at last, what is the question asking to you? Question with A, B, C, D is not at all given to you. So since A, B, C, D is not given, how do you mention that A, B, C, D, the solution answer? Answer you cannot finalize with A, B, C, D. Okay? So this is a yes.
Sir, ऊपर में तो एंगल AOB is equal to 60 डिग्री दिया है और नीचे एंगल AOB 30 डिग्री क्यों दिया?
क्या था? AOB ये वो ना बेटा ये
नो सर उससे भी ऊपर.
This is D.
नो सर वो उसके ऊपर वाला लाइन एंगल AOB is equal to 60 डिग्री.
हाँ.
और सबसे लास्ट सेकंड वाला लाइन
हाँ.
उसमें 30 डिग्री कैसे है?
ये वो नहीं है, ये भी D है.
ओके सर.
See how do you consider this as a verb? ये देखो cyclic quadrilateral बोला है. Cyclic quadrilateral में opposite angles क्या है? This angle and this angle. So although it is appearing to you as a verb, D and O maybe दूर से आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा, but how do you get AOB here? AOB नहीं आएगा. Here you are not going to get AOB. ACB and ADB, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. They are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay? So ADB is equals to 30 degrees, and 30 degrees should be taken. and 30 if you are taking as a 150 degrees. Or you can find out in another way also. What is another way? This arc is making at the center how much? 300 degrees. 300 में ये half होगा. This arc at the center, see here, like this also. You can take the figure like this. Circle if you are taking into consider. ये angle, this angle is 300 because it is 60 degrees. So remaining part of the circle में angle क्या होगा ये इसमें half होगा. So this angle is 150 degrees. Like that also you can do it. समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
So next. Third question. So question is given to you. Figure is given to you in 10.37. Angle PQR is equals to 100 degrees, where PQ are the points on the circle with the center O, and asking you to render OPR. So circle I am drawing here. O. Okay. And PQR is 100 degrees. 100 degrees is nothing but line between this. ये सही होगा? No. ये acute होना है. This chord is taken. This arc is major arc. This is minor arc. Because center से ऊपर. So figure whatever I have drawn is also from A, P, Q or consider कर ले तो approximation also wrong. So you're not supposed to run. Points should be taken. Even rough figure whenever you draw it also, you should draw it in a corner. Circle with the center O. Angle PQR is 100 degrees is here. So PQR point should be taken in a minor arc. So 3 points should be taken together. Here P, here Q, here somewhere else R. Now you take here this angle PQR is 100 degrees. This is 100. Approximately also it should be. Rough figure whenever you are drawing also it should be right. Now asking you to find out angle OPR. OPR is asking you to find. So here whenever you are taking, this is not a cyclic quadrilateral. OPQR is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Do remember, it's not a cyclic quadrilateral. So here given angle PQR is equals to 100 degrees. It is 100 degrees. So this is angle PQR, angle made by this. Angle at the center, A angle. This arc, see here, this arc, major arc PR, another part of the circle. में 100 कर. So ये major arc at the center will make what angle? So angle made by, if you want you can write here, angle made by major arc PR at a point on the remaining part of the circle. Major arc remaining part में 100 degrees कर. So therefore you can write here angle, reflex angle you can write here. Directly angle POR should not be written here. Angle reflex of angle POR should be written here. Reflex of angle POR, because normally POR whenever you write this angle, but this angle will be center पे what angle it is making will be double than the angle, so it is 2 times of the angle PQR. सही है ना? Did you
Yes, sir.
understand this part?
Yes,
So
sir.
2 into 100 हो जाएगा, so which is equals to 200. So ये 200 हो गया. So therefore angle POR क्या होगा? 360 minus 200 degrees, so which is equals to 160 degrees. ये 160 degrees. Okay, since OP is equals to OR, radian. OP is equals to OR, both are radian. Then you can say that angle OPR is equals to angle ORP. बोथ दोनों को x consider करो, ये x है, ये x है. So we need to find out OPR then. OPR find out करना है. Both are equal to x. Okay? Is it clear to you? So now in triangle OPR, angle sum property, x plus 160 degrees, this is equals to 360 degrees. 2x is equals to 200 degrees. So x is equals to 100 degrees. Therefore, angle OPR is equals to 100 degrees. Same angle, whatever it is given to you, same angle measure you are getting. So let me ask one question to you. Here, if this angle is given 110 degrees, will you get this angle also 110 degrees? समझ में आया? If this is 110 degrees PQR, OPR also 110 degrees, will you get? Just check करो, इधर same आया बोल के you may think. So whenever you get this type of a situation, you need to check whether 110 degrees same आएगा, angle same ले लिया तो same आएगा. So 110 degrees, suppose इधर 110 है, तो इधर क्या होगा? 220. This is 220 and 220 360 से subtract करो. 360 minus 220. You have to check like this. So what do you get here? 140 degrees ये है. तो ये कितना होगा? Sum should be equals to 180. So 20 होगा, ये 20 degrees होगा, ये 120 हो गया तो ये 20 degrees हो गया. So 110 degrees हो गया तो ये 20 degrees हो गया. समझ में आ रहा है ना? In this situation, is it right? Whatever I did, is there any mistake? Try to identify.
Sir, can I say?
Did you understand? Huh?
Sir, can I say?
Wait,
Sir, okay, sir.
Yes. Is everything right? And here also it is right or wrong? Okay, anyone of you?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, you have written that angle POR equal to 160 degree. And here angle POR is a triangle. So sum of angle RPO and PRO and POR must be 180 degree.
You are not identifying. See, sum of the three I wrote here 360 degrees and 120 karne. That's why I am asking. I am posing the question to you. Is there any mistake? See, you should be a little bit aware of that. Sum of the three angles here I wrote here instead of 180 360 लिख दिया था, but no one identified. Until because if I write immediately, you should say So 180 minus 180 minus 160, 20 degrees over. So x is equals to 10 degrees over. And here, whenever we get the answer also, see common sense है. Figure को approximation हम लोग सही draw कर लिए. Figure approximation draw कर लिया. If this angle is showing to you as an acute angle, so 100 degrees कैसे आएगा? It is an obtuse angle. दिखने में 100 degrees कैसे दिखता है? Obtuse angle. So वो थोड़ा सा logic apply करना है बेटा. So this is a way we can identify our mistake. ये तो मैं Monterey कर लिया है. Suppose sometimes unexpectedly even a bright student also ये गड़बड़ में एग्जाम में बैठने के बाद टेंशन की वजह से व्हाट दे विल 360 लिखेगा ना ये तो समाधान लिखेगा. बट वी मैथमेटिक्स में यही एडवांटेज है. यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई योर मिस्टेक वेरी इजीली. आप गलत लिख दिया तो गलत कर दिया तो आपका नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स एक के बाद एक स्टेप्स लिखते हैं. कॉमन सेंस थोड़ा सा यूज करके 100 डिग्री से ये तो 100 के जैसा नहीं दिख रहा है. You should identify that. Just blindly you are not supposed to go. Okay? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So please concentrate while doing the problems what I am doing. Fourth problem. So the question is given to you here in the figure. Angle ABC is given to you as 69 degrees, and angle ACB is given as one circle is given. First, let me draw the circle. Figure draw so that is the center of the circle. Here center से हमको मतलब ये नहीं है. So and point BC is given to you here. BC. Okay. Here A point is given, and here D point is given. Angle ABC is given to you, and angle ACB is given to you. What is given? Let us write here first. Given angle ABC is equals to 69 degrees. Angle ACB is equals to this completely. Angle ACB, yes sir, ABC, and ACB is equals to 31 degrees. And asking you to find the angle BDC. This is we need to find this angle. It's very simple, nothing else. This angle BDC and BAC. BDC and BAC are angle in the same segment. Angle in a same segment में angle, isn't it? So if you know the angle B equal होगा angle in the same segment. So angle BAC is equals to angle BAC. How do you find out? Sum of the three angles in a triangle. First you find out BAC. BAC find out. So in triangle ABC. Angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle AC is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of the here every step in geometry, in every step, mostly every step, reason better you write, so that your paper will be very effective. Answer sheet will be very effective. Your answers are very good. ये क्या है? Angle sum. Angle sum property in the triangle. So this BAC we need to find out. ABC is given 69 degrees and ACB is given 31 degrees, which is equals to 180 degrees. दोनों का ऐड कर 100 degrees हो गई. So angle BAC is equals to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, which is equals to 80 degrees. Therefore, angle BDC is equals to angle BAC because angle in same segment में angle. This is also equals to 80 degrees. Is it clear to you? समझ में आया? हाँ? Any doubt here? समझ में आया ये?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, please ask. Angle in the same segment. ये एक segment है. Already yesterday I told you. If you take one segment here like this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle, all these angles will be equal. So like this, these two are angles in the same segment. एक ही segment में angle क्या होता है? वो equal होता है. And that also we have proved it. हम लोग प्रूव कर लिया है. So based on that only we have solved this one. Okay. So now let us move to the next question. All the questions are based on the theorems what we have learned and the results what we have learned in this case only. But you should get practice. That's why each and every problem I am explaining to you in problem. So fifth question is given to you. First, before going to the question, figure let me draw here. A, B, C, D are the 4 points on the circle. So A, B, C, D are 4 points like this here. Is given to you. Circle is taken into consider. Point A is here, point B is here, C and D. A, B, C, D are the points. And AC and BD intersect at a point E. AC and BD, D point here, intersect at a point E. E point by intersect. Okay? Such that BEC is equals to this one. BEC is equals to 130 degrees. And ECD is equals to ECD. This is equals to 20 degrees. And asking you to find out BAC. So whenever given thing, what let us write here? Given angle BEC is equals to 130 degrees, angle ECD is equals to 20 degrees. ECD है ना? Yes, ECD 20. And asking you to find out angle BAC. BAC directly नहीं आएगा. BAC will be equals to what angle? First, this is ये segment consider B to C joint. So BAC will be equal to BDC. BAC is equal to BDC. Isn't it? So if you able to find out BDC, yeah, BDC find out करेंगे, then you are going to get. BDC कैसे आएगा? ये angle होगा तब you are going to get. This angle कैसे आएगा? ये 130 degree. So one by one is interlinked. So first one you have to do ये चाहिए तो ये चाहिए, इसके लिए ये चाहिए. So ये first find out. This one let us find. What is that? DEC. BEC. Angle BEC plus angle BEC sum is 180 degrees. Reason क्या है? What's the reason?
Angles and property.
No. ये दोनों दो एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी बोले तो 3 एंगल्स ना बेटा.
Sir, linear pair.
लीनियर पेयर दोनों स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, स्ट्रेट एंगल फॉर्म हो रहे हैं ना. दो एंगल्स का सम 180 मींस इवन सप्लीमेंट्री आंसर यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू यूज. You should use linear pair because it forms a straight line form. Two angles sum is 180 degrees is nothing but the two angles are called as a supplementary angles. But two angles if form a straight line, it is called as linear pair. The reason should be written as a linear pair. So now here we are given BEC. We are given BEC. BEC is given to us. So 130 degrees plus angle BEC is ये D है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखो. Don't consider and O is not there here. Angle DEC 180 minus 130 degrees. So angle DEC is equals to 50 degrees. Now in the triangle DEC, some of the three angles to be taken into consideration. Angle DEC plus angle ECD plus angle, what we need to find out? EDC is equals to 1. Here, the reason is angles. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So now what you can write here? DEC is equals to 50 degrees, ECD is equals to 20 degrees, and we need to find EDC. So the sum is 70 degrees. Angle EDC is equals to 180 minus 70, which is equals to 110 degrees. Now the question is asking you to find out angle BAC. Angle BAC is equals to angle EDC, because BAC is equals to BDC. Actually, BDC or EDC both are same. Actually, BDC, right? Better you write BDC, because angle in same segment, angle in the same segment. So now here this BDC is nothing but EDC. So that is how much we got? 110 degrees. BAC is equals to 110 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
here, हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Clearly समझ में आया ना?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let us move to the next problem, sixth problem.